Good to go.
Hey, I'm Chris with Affordable Medical Equipment, or AffordableMedicalUSA.com, and here's the Envies. What we want to show you today is the 3 different types of seats. This chair is perfect for traveling inside the house. If you have a mountain house, a beach house, you can take the batteries back home with you, leave this at your house and charge the batteries. The seats are important. This is your standard seat. It's 16 in depth, 17 in width. It's lighter. This is really good if you're traveling. If you're a little bit taller, a little bit larger, because this does hold 300 pounds. This is our 18 or 20 width by 18 depth. So if you're a little bit taller too, this could be a good chair for you. And this is our premier luxury seat. It's about 1 inch higher. It's a lot more padded. It's heavier, so it's not the best one for traveling unless you got someone strong enough to pick it up. It's still not that heavy, and the 17 in depth. The colors here is yellow, sunburst yellow, paradise blue, cherry apple red, cherry red, and then it also comes in solar clear orange, envy green, satin silver. I'm going to show you how it comes apart. There's just a little lever you clip, and you just run this cord straight down. Loosen this up for extra protection. This just comes right out. You can and fold the seat down, pull it straight up. All of these chairs come with swivel seats, so they can swivel. The charger comes like this. You can plug it into your joystick, or you can plug it directly into the battery. And it disassembles very easy. This is 36 pounds. This is your heaviest piece, your 2 motors. And this is the front. To connect it back, I'm gonna do it really quick. Done. Foot plate, all of them have foot plates. Has a 2.5 inch ground clearance. Goes about 15.5 miles on a single charge. It's a great chair. This is the Golden Envy at AffordableMedicalUSA.com.